Smart parking. The problem. A big problem that happens in our city, especially downtown, is the availability and control of the parking spaces. People usually use a big part of their time looking for a space to park, and sometimes it is not because there isn't enough space, but because some people have parked incorrectly, taking more than one space and giving everyone else trouble. The idea. We think that this problem can be solved efficiently by the use of a smart parking meter. This meter will be able to tell if the space is occupied or not, if the person using the space has time left, and if the car is parked correctly. The availability of the space will be available to users in specific locations or in a mobile application, along with the ability to reserve a space, while traffic enforcement authorities will be given information about time remaining, availability, and if a car is correctly parked. Benefits. There will be several benefits if this idea was to be applied. First, people will be able to check availability of the spaces from anywhere, making the process much faster and less stressful. Along with this, it will help create a good parking culture because the parking meters will force people to park correctly, or they will not be able to increase their parking time. Traffic enforcement will also see an improvement because any violations will be communicated automatically, making it easier to monitor these spaces and decreasing response time. Implementation. In order to be able to sense the presence and correct parking of a car, the smart meter will use two infrared sensors, positioned in a way so that the size of the vehicle is not an issue. If a sensor is on for a long time without the other one activating, a signal will be sent to an office in order to report a bad parking. Another signal is sent if the meter falls to zero. The availability of the spaces will be available to both officers and people looking for spaces, both for control and to give them the ability to reserve spaces. The information about traffic violations is exclusive to traffic officers.